How to delete Alibaba account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete Alibaba account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Alibaba application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now, tap on the My Alibaba option on the bottom right of your screen, and further, tap on the gear-like icon on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings page of Alibaba. Here, you will see various options. Go ahead and navigate to the Delete Account option. Now, make sure that once you deactivate your account information will no longer be accessible. Next, your information on Alibaba.com will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to issue refunds. And lastly, you will lose access to member benefits. Coupons, vouchers, and reward points will be expired too. So, if you agree on all these conditions, then go ahead and tap on the Delete Account button, and in the interface that you will be led to, further scroll down and tap on the Delete Account button again. Now, in the text box you see here, type in delete and finally tap on the Delete Account button one last time. And with this, the process to delete your account has started and your account will soon be no longer accessible. So, this is how you can delete Alibaba account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.